How to reset the deleted emails and files on your email application. Hello guys, I will show you in this video how to reset your deleted email. We need to go to the email application. You can find in Play Store. Now we go to the menu. Now we go to the left corner icon and we find these options. Now the important options is this trash. We find our deleted file in this trash. We click it to any email and we go to the right corner icon 3 point, and now we click to move to, and we move to primary or social or promotion, and the same operation to all this email deleted. Now we can select all this email and move to social. Now nothing in the trash is empty. This is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.